Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to complete the new SBA paper application. Now, if you've seen in my last video, I showed you how to complete a paper application, but that was on the old website. The SBA has changed their disaster loan application website to lending.sba.gov. So you would go to this website and I will show you how to get the application forms for the business and the personal disaster loan. Now, if you are completing a paper application, that means you're completing it after the deadline and after the 14-day grace period. So if you go to lending.sba.gov and search disaster declarations, and you enter in your state and county, and enter in the property type, home or business, enter in the type of loss you've experienced, and enter in the date of the disaster, you won't see the disaster that you're looking for if it's expired already. So in order to apply, you would have to follow their new policy, which is to fill out a paper application and email it in. I will provide the PDF to the business application and the PDF to the home loan application, and also the email that it needs to be sent to. Alright guys, let me show you how to access these documents on the lending.sba.gov website. So once you get to the home page, you would click Need Help. You would click Forms and Documents. Then you would go to the search bar and enter in Home Loan Application and click Search for Documents. You would scroll down and here it is. You'd click Disaster Home Loan Application and click Download PDF. Today I'm going to show you how to complete a paper application for the business disaster loan. Alright guys, let's fill this out together. So for the first question, they'll ask you which disaster event affected you, and you would enter in the disaster number. Now, if you do not know the disaster number, because if you click search declarations on the SBA website and that disaster declaration is not there due to it being expired or after the grace period, you can call the customer service line, and I leave a link down below to their phone number and a link to a video where I show you how to reach a real human being. And you would just give them your state and county and the type of disaster, and they will provide you with that disaster number. After you've entered in the disaster number, you would enter in the legal name of your business. Now, if your business uses another business name, you would enter that in here, but that is optional. Now for the third question, it asks you what is the address for your business that was affected by the disaster event. So you would enter in your business address. Click whether you own or lease the space. Now for question number 4, it asks what items were damaged or destroyed. Select all that apply. The structure of your business furniture, or business vehicles may have been impacted by this disaster. You can also add loss of working capital, which is also called economic injury. So if you had any loss of revenue due to that disaster, you would enter that in as well. Now for question number 5, it asks you to enter in your EIN number for your business. For number 6, enter in the NAICS code that best describes your business. Now you could just Google your NAICS code. Just go to google.com and write NAICS code for a cleaning business, NAICS code for whatever business you have. For number 7, it asks, how is your business structured? So either it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, nonprofit, trust, whatever applies to you. Enter in how many employees did you have at the time of the disaster, including yourself. They also understand that this number may be different from the current number. Now on to insurance coverage. If you do not have any hazard insurance, business interruption insurance, or flood insurance, you would just leave this blank. They only ask if you have insurance to see if you claimed any funds from them for this specific disaster. So if you do not have it, skip it. Insurance covered, continued. If you do not have windstorm insurance, fire insurance, leave it blank. Now for number 14, about the owners. What date did you establish or acquire your business? So you enter that date in here. For number 15, enter in your legal name or your entity name. Enter in your date of birth, your social, email, and phone number. Now to the next page. If you have an additional phone number you'd like to use, that is optional. You can enter that in here. Then they ask, what percentage of the business do you own? You'd enter in that percentage. Next question, do you own more than 50% of any other business? You'd click yes or no. Then they ask, are you a partner or managing member for any other businesses? You would enter in yes or no. Are you married? Yes or no. Are you a United States citizen? Yes or no. Now they ask for some demographic information. If you're a veteran, what is your gender? What is your ethnicity? And what is your race? Now these questions are optional. Disclosure is voluntary and has no bearing on the loan decision. Now for this page, this is for any additional owners or any other partners in your business. So if you do not have any additional owners or any additional partners in your business, you would skip it. Now for this page, they ask for more demographic information, but that is for any additional owners or partners or any additional managing members. If you do not have any, you would skip this as well. Now on to number 26, they will ask for criminal background and delinquencies. So you would just answer these questions. Have you filed for bankruptcy in the past 2 years? Yes or no. Do you have any outstanding judgments, tax liens, or pending lawsuits? Yes or no. Are you presently incarcerated or on probation, parole? Yes or no. In the past year, have you been convicted of a felony? Yes or no. And so on. So you would just click yes or no to these questions. Are you 60 days late on child support? Are you currently suspended or disbarred from receiving federal grants or loans? Yes or no. And then you'd move on to the next page. Now for the point of contact information, who should be the primary point of contact for your loan application? I recommend putting yourself. So enter in your name and your title. Next, enter in your email and your phone number. Now for the next question, this is optional. If there's any additional phone number you would like to use. Also, would you like them to use an alternative address for sending mail about your application? That's also optional. And for the next question, did you pay anyone to support you in completing this application? If so, you would enter that in. If not, then you'd skip it. Now for number 32, do you consent to using electronic signatures and electronic communications? You would click yes or no. I suggest clicking yes. For number 33, do you agree to the following terms? If so, then enter in your business name, your signature, your full name and title, and the current date. After you've entered in your business name, the date, your full name and title, and your signature, you are all done with the business paper application. Now, after you've completed the paper application, I recommend you save it and send it to the email I provided in the description box. Now, if you guys need any assistance, I provide free consultation calls to answer any questions that you may have. I provided PDFs for the business loan paper application and the home loan paper application as well. I provided the email address that these applications should be sent to and a link on how to reach a real person at the SBA Customer Service Center. The number is 1-800-659-2955. All right, good luck, guys. Peace.